This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn S series. This happens to be a 1998 model. And one of my viewers wanted me to show him how to remove the emblem. And I presume he means the emblem on the fender right there. So that's what we're going to do today. Here is the emblem we're going to be removing. So the first thing we got to do is get the vehicle up in the air, support it, and take the tire wheel assembly off. And then we have this inner fender well. We're going to take off the push pins here and partially remove this piece so we can get at our emblem. Let's get these push pins out of the way. Alright. Now we can get at the emblem. Alright, here is the nut that holds the emblem on. It's a 10 millimeter. And there it is. One Saturn Fender emblem. So that's all there is to removing a Saturn emblem from your Saturn S series.